Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Initchain, okay, a drop about Initverse. So what to do here? First of all, we have to take a faucet from your website. So where is the website? Let me tell you. So I'll provide the link in the description of this website. So you have to click on your MetaMask deposit address and you have to paste it here, okay, and then you have to solve the captcha and then click on me test, okay, then you will receive 10 ini, okay, and then now you have to click on the tasks, okay, you have to click on sign in and then claim today reward, okay, I have already claimed so I don't need to claim now. Then you have to click on join now, swap any token on OB swap, say the OBS swap. After clicking on OBS swap, you will see interface like this. Connect the wallet. Okay, I'll select OKX. And then wait. I have to claim some any to USDT or any other token. So here I don't see any. So I'll convert it to some any. Then click on swap. Confirm the transaction. Okay, and then you have to click on liquidity, provide some liquidity. So transaction is finished. Click on supply, confirm. Okay, it takes some time. After providing liquidity, you have to come back on the side. So you have to complete some task here, and then you have to click on this and enter something, whatever you want to enter, but the token decimal should be between the ratio 1 and 18, okay, 1 not 1 6 and 18, and then click on confirm your transaction. After confirming, you will see interface like this. The token is created, okay. The basic tasks are here, so you have to follow them on Twitter, retweet, like, all are social tasks, so you have to complete it. The special tasks are inviting friends, so when you want to invite some friends, so I'll give you a tip: use secondary wallet and second Twitter accounts. So you have to swap any for USDT and create token. I have created all, so this is all you need to do. Click on interaction. So this is all the tasks.